Hi, this is Mindforms and welcome to my Sample Genie tutorial part 2. In the first part, we went through how to build a track from scratch and some tips and techniques that I use in the creation process. This session will be more based around how I finish a track, how I get that kind of early excitement from building the idea and carry it all the way through to a finished track. We're going to go through some of my mix down techniques, so how I set my buses up, how I process my drums, how I process my bass, and how I process my effects and pads and then gel it all together in the master chain, showing the plugins that I put on my master chain and the decisions behind that. And then we're also going to look at the creative process more as well, how I continue the idea, how I can just build on that initial loop that we had and not losing the original vibe and the original idea that was there. So yeah, it's going to be partly creative and then partly more technical as well. And by the end of it, hopefully you'll see my process from start to finish. So yeah, let's get stuck in.